Hello everyone, this is the week 6 multiplication table 2 solution video. Problem 1. Find all possible ways to write 24 as the product of two positive integers. So we have here 24 equals to a times b, and note that a times b must be different numbers. So here the order of a and b does not matter. That means that, for example, a times b, it's the same as b times a, so you can't reverse it. By reversing it, that's still one solution. So we can write 24 as the most obvious one, 1 times 24. So that's one case. The second case, we have 24 as 2 times 12. Third one, 24 is 3 times 8. And finally, 24 as 4 times 6. And these are the solutions. There are 4 of them. Problem 2. 5 friends went to a bookstore. Then if each of them bought 7 books, how many books did they buy in total? We have 5 friends. Let's refer to the friends as circles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each of them bought 7 books. So we have 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And if you know from your multiplication tables, you should know that 7 times 5 is 35. But if you didn't, we can also add all these together. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 added together 5 times, that still gives us 35. So the answer to problem 2 is 35. Problem 3. A group of people for a math club went to a field trip in 6 regular cars and 5 vans. If each regular car held 4 people and each van held 6 people, how many people were in the trip? So from the problem, we see that there are 6 regular cars involved. Sorry. If there are 6 regular cars involved, and it says that each regular car holds 4 people, we can just multiply 6 by 4. And from the multiplication table, we can derive that this is equal to 24. Then again, if you don't know how to do this, you can just add them together. 6 added together 4 times. And then we have 5 vans. And from here, we can also derive that 5 vans hold 6 people. So again, 5 times 6 is 30. So in total, 30 plus 24, that is 54 people. So 54 people were on the trip. Problem 4. Eric has a bag of candies of 3 different colors, red, yellow, and green. Then 8 of them are red. The number of yellow candies is 3 times the number of red candies. There are 11 more green candies than yellow candies. How many green candies are in Eric's bag? So we have that 8 of them are red. And then the number of yellow candies is 3 times the number of red candies. So if it's 3 times the number of red candies and we have that 8 are red, we basically get that 3 times 8 equals to 24 yellow candies. And then the third part, it says there are 11 more green candies than yellow candies. So if we have 24 as a number of yellow candies and we add 11 more, that just gives us 35 green candies. So in total, how many green candies are in Eric's bag? 35 green candies. Problem 5. Write 30 as a sum of 5 consecutive positive integers. So 30 equals to something plus something plus something plus something plus something. So if consecutive means that those numbers follow each other, for example, 1, 2, 3 are 3 consecutive positive integers, then please write 30 as a sum. So we get that 30 equals to 6 times 5, right? And since there are 5 consecutive positive integers, we know that these numbers must be close to the number 6. So let's just set 6 as the middle number, just to be safe. And then on each of these sides, we minus 1 and plus 1. And if we add all of these numbers together, we get that this is just 30. So that is your setup. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is equal to 30. Okay, moving on. Problem 6. Jackie wanted to buy 6 books. However, he found that he was $5 short. If each book cost $8, how much money did Jackie have? So If Jackie wanted to buy 6 books and each book costed $8, we can write that as the equation 6 times 8 and $48. So these 6 books that he wanted to buy, they costed $48 in total. But since he was $5 short, we need to subtract 5 from 48 to see how much money he actually had. And that just gives us 43. So Jackie had $43, which means he did not have enough to buy 6 books. Problem 7. Some friends cut up 15 apples. They cut 7 into halves and the rest into quarters. How many pieces of apple were there? So let's define some terms. Halves is just 1/2, while quarters is equal to 1/4. So basically quarters that just cuts up into 4 pieces, while 1/2 is just 2. So if some friends cut up 15 apples and they cut 7 into halves, that just gives us 7 times 2, since there are 2 parts in halves and they cut 7 open. So that gives us 14 pieces. And then the second part is the rest into quarters. So we need to subtract 7 from 15 to get that they cut open 8, since there are 8 left. So 8 times 4 equals to 32 pieces. Since they cut the rest into quarters, 8 times 4, 32 pieces, and the question asks us how many pieces of apple were there. So let's just add up 32 to 14, and that just gives us 46. So in total, there were 46 pieces. Problem 8. I buy 10 plastic dinosaurs at 99 cents each and give the shopkeeper a $10 note. How many change should I receive? So if he buys 10 plastic dinosaurs at 99 cents each, we can basically write 99 cents as $1 but minus 1 cent. So if he buys 10 plastic dinosaurs, we can basically just multiply this by 10. So we multiply with the $1 by 10, which gives us $10 minus 10 cents. So if he gives $10 note to a shopkeeper, then he should basically receive 10 cents back. Okay, this problem is 10 plastic dinosaurs, 99 cents each. That just costs $10 minus 10 cents. So the change is 10 cents. And that is it.